Hi guys, I hope everyone is having a great Sunday. I am hopping on today for brows. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the products that I'm using. Okay, so the very first, this is the goal of what we're doing today. This is the Marilyn Monroe Arch. And the very first product is this vegan eye primer that I love, that I sell, and it is by the All Natural Face, and it's called Magic. It is magic. It keeps makeup on all day. So we're going to apply that first, and then I'm going to show you a few little tools that you may need. Let's see. You'll need an angle brush. You will need some handy dandy tweezers. It reminds me of Blue's Clues. I used to love that with Olivia. Okay, and then you will need a brow pomade. This is the medium that I use for myself. I sell all three colors. I sell dark, these are vegan, and I sell light. Okay, and then these are coming soon. I am going to be selling brow pencils as well. So I use a pencil and a pomade. Okay, now, let's see if I can get this the way I want it. Okay, that's close enough. All right, here we go. So the key is to have your brows start at the 3-point arch. So there's the first point of your arch. Well, not arch, the first point of your brow. Then you put it diagonally. Did I add too many L's to that? Diagonally. That's where you want your arch. And this is where you want it to end. That's it. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is take a little bit of the primer and put it all over and let it dry. This will keep your brow in place, and since I don't have half of my brow, it's very important. But there's a reason I don't have half of it, because they come down and they make me look like a sad little puppy. Coffee break. So this is one of my favorite little mugs, and I think either Olivia or Jamie Halcott bought this for me. I'm not sure, but I love it, because I'm a crazy animal lady. Okay, so we got a little Bam Bam look going on here today. A little Fast Times at Ridgeville High. That's what I feel like. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is take a little spoolie, if you have one of these, and you want to brush your brow upwards like this. So I have a little mirror over here, my ring light here, and I want to look in the center, but it's best to look at the top where your camera is, so it makes me look all over the place. Okay, so the very first thing that you want to do is you want to feather a soft line that goes right up to your natural arch, or where you want your arch to be. So there's the first line, okay? Now, what you're going to do is go at the top of your brow and draw your second line. And just keep everything going upward to the sky. That's how high we want that arch. Okay. And then you have two lines. You have one here and one there. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to bring your arch down, just like this. See? And then you want to connect them. There you go. And then what I like to do is go back and fill the brow in, which I will show you in just a moment. Okay guys, so I actually tweezed a few little hairs that needed to come off to create the perfect brow. Let me get my little mirror out of here. Okay, so now you are ready to go back, and you have both of your lines, And now you're ready to go back and fill in with the pomade, which is a beautiful vegan pomade that I love, that is by Live Free Beauty. And then what I do is I go back in and I do these little baby feathering strokes because I want it to look very natural and not drawn. And so I just kind of feather it in, really blend it in. And then I connect everything and just kind of go up a little bit too, just to kind of like perfect it. Just like this. And you can create and make it as thick as you want. But I think that looks good. What do you think? You like that? Now my face is a little pink, but it's perfect for my next video, which is rosacea and getting the red to go away. Okay, this is it right here. Voila, that's it. Let's make sure these babies look similar. I think so. I think that looks pretty good. And then you can do your mascara and you can apply your eye makeup and your lashes and everything else. But once your brows are on, it's gonna be a good day. All right, guys, have a great day and look out for the next video. Bye-bye. And here we have one of my favorite vegan brushes. This is really nice. I love how small it is, of course. I like to have more control over my brushes, especially when you are working with your eyebrows. But I love that the tip of this has a very nice long slant, perfect for creating and arching your brow. So this is another amazing tool, and we have this for sale on our website. So I hope you like it as much as I do. This is one of my favorites. So in order to create the perfect brow, I have a few different tools that I think will be really helpful for you. This is one of my vegan angle brushes, and on the one side you have a nice thin little angle on a slant, and then on the other side you have the spoolie that you can brush your brows with and make them look even more perfect. So I tend to love a smaller brush. I feel like you have more control over it. They're easy to travel with, and I just always have gravitated towards a small angle brush. So this is one of the tools that is an absolute must. I think you will love it.